What's up, everyone? Alright, so I recently found out my backup lights are not working, so we're going to figure out why. So the first thing I'm going to check is going to be the reverse light fuse. So the passenger fuse box is going to be on the passenger side of the car, underneath the glove box. So I'm going to remove this cover. It just snaps in, so it pulls right off. Alright, so there's going to be two tabs, one on the left and one on the right of the fuse panel. You just turn those counterclockwise, and the fuse panel will drop down. Alright, so I pulled up my owner's manual, and I'm looking at the fuse diagram now. It says the reverse lights are going to be fuse 79. So on the bottom of all these fuses, there's numbers. Find 79, and it's going to be this red mini 10 amp fuse. Now to remove a fuse, you can use either a fuse puller or a pair of needle nose pliers. Just grip it, kind of wiggle it up, pull it out. Now as you can tell, this fuse link is broken. You can pick up replacement fuses at any auto store or even Walmart. Here's the comparison of the bad and the good fuse. As you can tell on the left, the fuse link is broken. On the right, it is complete. Alright, so I'm going to reinsert the fuse, push it in, and then close the fuse panel. Once you push it up, remember that you have to turn the tabs clockwise in order to lock the fuse panel in place. Then you're going to re-snap the cover back in place. Now that our blown fuse has been replaced, it's time to check the reverse bulbs. So now we're going to remove the trunk liner, and you just use a flathead screwdriver and pull the tabs out. So now I can access the reverse bulbs. We're going to push that in, pull out the clip. Then you got to turn the socket to the left, and it just pulls right out. My right reverse bulb was blown. I had LED lights in both of my reverse lights. Instead, I'm just going to go ahead and replace both of those with standard incandescent lights. So I put the new bulb into the socket, then I'm putting the socket into the light housing. All you do is push it in, turn to the right, it'll lock in place, then reattach the clip. Then reattach the trunk liner. Now time to check, and they're working. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing.